The future of XenServer, trends in virtualization technology. As businesses adopt new technologies, virtualization is expanding beyond traditional IT. XenServer was once known for virtualization. It is now being adapted for edge computing, IoT, and AI workloads. Edge computing, we need to process data closer to its source. XenServer's lightweight, scalable design is perfect for edge environments. Deploying XenServer on low-resource devices enables efficient edge data processing and storage. Hybrid and multi-cloud compatibility. Demand for hybrid and multi-cloud environments is soaring. Businesses want flexibility in managing workloads across on-premises and cloud platforms. XenServer is evolving to work with top cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Interoperability. Citrix is making tools to help orgs move workloads between on-premises data centers and public clouds with minimal disruption. Enhanced security features. Cybersecurity threats are getting more sophisticated. So, virtualization platforms must secure their virtualized environments. XenServer is continuously improving its security architecture to address these challenges. Built-in security modules. Features like Direct Inspect APIs let antivirus tools communicate with the hypervisor. This boosts protection without harming performance. Support for DevOps and containerization. The rise of DevOps and containerized applications is reshaping the virtualization landscape. Although XenServer is traditionally hypervisor-based, its future lies in accommodating modern application architectures. Containerized workloads. Tools like Xen Orchestra are bridging the gap between VMs and containers. They enable XenServer users to manage both seamlessly. Improved user experience through simplified management. The complexity of managing virtualized environments remains a barrier for many businesses. XenServer is addressing this by enhancing its management interfaces and tools. Self-service portals. Businesses using XenServer may soon benefit from self-service portals. They will let end users manage their virtual machines with little IT help. Conclusion. The future of XenServer is intertwined with the evolution of virtualization technology. XenServer supports AI and edge computing. It enables secure, sustainable, and scalable hybrid environments. So, it will remain a key player in virtualization.